Hello guys, welcome to this lesson on using the confined space entry permit template. So before we move on, let's just describe what a confined working place is. A confined working place is a space that is not designed for continuous human occupants, is limited entry of or exit points, and may contain hazardous conditions that may put workers at risk. In other words, a confined working place is a tight or restricted space where working can be dangerous if proper safety controls are not followed. Key features of a confined working place have limited openings for entry and exit, poor ventilation, that is, air may be contaminated, oxygen levels may be low or high, not meant for people to work in all the time, may contain hazards like fumes, gases, heat, dust. Examples of confined working places we have tanks, pits, sewers, silos, storage bins. Why it's risky to get in or out during emergencies. Harmful gases can build up. Low oxygen can make breathing difficult. Machines or materials inside the space can trip or injure workers. So in this lesson, I'll be demonstrating how this template helps us plan, control, and document all activities related to confined space entry. Because confined spaces present unique risk, this tool plays an essential role in ensuring that every entry is properly assessed, authorized, and monitored. The template includes important sections such as permit number, confined space location, hazard identification, atmospheric testing results, hazard controls, communication procedures, and entry supervisor approval. It also captures the details of the entry team attended and rescue team along with equipment requirements like PPE, ventilation equipment, and monitoring equipment. By the end of this lesson, you understand how to record information accurately, verify safety conditions, and use this permit to support safe, compliant, and well-controlled confined space operations. So when you open this template, you find out that there's the report worksheet, the confined space permits, and also notes and instructions. But in this worksheet, this is the report. Let me just show you the overview of the report. So that's the report. This report section is designed to give you a focused view of a single record put from the full table. By entering a specific ID, the form retrieves all related details for that record, such as permit number, location, confined space type, and so on, allowing for quick reference or updates. This setup is made possible using a combination of the VLOOKUP and if functions, which dynamically fetch and displays data from the main table in the next worksheet. Capturing data one record at a time ensures accuracy and simplifies review editing. So basically all the IDs are recorded in column D. Make sure to only use the IDs exactly as they are. Please watch my tutorial on Excel formulas and functions to understand how the system works. So if you navigate to the confined space permits worksheet, you find out that this is our column D and these are our IDs which we are using to retrieve data for the specified row. Let's say if you enter entcove, the VLOOKUP and the if function will retrieve data for all these other information, for all these other raw data information like the confined space ID, confined space classification, and notice here we have a drop down list, then also has identification. So all you have to do is just have to enter a permit number in this cell. So you see here we have entcove, right? So if you change to, let's say, to N14, let's say here we change N14, and then you just have to click anywhere in the worksheet. As you can see, the VLOOKUP function, this is the formula, guys. Yeah, this is the formula which I'm using to retrieve all the data from the confined space permitting, so it will automatically retrieve. And you should always make sure that the formulas options is checked. So to check that, you go to formulas and then calculation options. It should be on automatic, not manual. So that's how all the data is retrieved. Let's say we enter again information for N14. Let's go to N14. This is our N14. Let's say we enter something here and also here. I think it was this one. Oh, here we have a drop down list. So to use the drop down list here, let's go back to the report. As you can see, the formula will automatically retrieve data for all those cells in this row, in row 15 with the ID number N14. So basically, this is how you can use this report form. So if you want to see how this report can be saved, please watch out my tutorial. I'll put a link in the video description below so that you can see how you can save this report as a Word document or as a PDF document. To save or to use any of these buttons, I'm using macros. So what are my Excel macros? Excel macros are automated sets of instructions that perform repetitive tasks in Excel with just one click. They are created using a programming language called VBA, which stands for Visual Basic for Applications. In the workplace, macros help by saving time. They automate tasks like formatting, copying data, generating reports, or printing documents. They also reduce human error. Since macros follow exact instructions, they minimize mistakes from manual data entry or repeated steps. Improving efficiency. Employees can focus on more important tasks while macros handle the routine work. Standardizing processes. Macros ensure the same steps are followed every time, which helps maintain consistency in reports or data handling. Overall, macros help streamline operations and improve productivity in any environment that uses Excel regularly. So I've created macros for searching. If you want to search anything in the table, you just click this button. Then you have to use this cell D11. Please watch out my tutorial in the description below to see how this works. Then also I've added a button for add new row to add rows at the bottom of the table. Then also if you want to delete, you just click this delete button and use the, you can only, if you want to delete a row, you have to enter ID in cell D11 to delete the entire row. And if you want to also to delete a blank row, you just click this delete button. And if you want to save this Word document, this table as a PDF, you can just use this save as PDF document. Then also for saving as a Word, you just have to use this document. And also for filtering data, just click this one. In a nutshell, I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to use this template more effectively to streamline your reporting and data management. These tools are built to save you time, reduce errors, and improve the way you track important workplace data. Stay tuned for more tutorials coming soon, and please don't forget to share this video with anyone who might find it useful. If you are looking for more Excel templates, check out my website or feel free to contact me. My details are in the description below as well as the channel description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.